Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use 9Proxy IP on your phone, whether iPhone or Android. Okay, so watch this video to the very end so that you understand every single thing. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe, like this video, and then leave your thoughts in the comment section. The purpose of this video is to show you how to redeem or use your 9Proxy IPs. Okay, so what you need to do, as you can see, after I redeemed it, I was having 39 IPs. So what you need to do is to come here. Right, then you type on IPs. After tapping on IPs, you go to Proxy to web. So it's a new feature they released a couple of days ago. Right, so you tap on create proxy. Okay, so after creating proxy, you add a new user, but since I've already done it, I already have a new user. Okay, so what I need to do is to add IPs. I don't have any IPs under this new feature, right? So you just tap on add IPs. So here you're going to select limited because I don't want to use all my IPs. Then you select one. Okay, but you make sure you have at least 1 gigabyte. Okay, because that's the traffic. So if I should leave it like this, it will ask me to enter the traffic limit. So let's say 1 gigabyte, right? Then if you want, you can just type a remark, but then you can leave it like that. So you need to tap on save. Okay, so as you can see, it has updated the user successfully. Right, then what you need to do is to select a city, country. So let's say in case I want United States. Okay, I'll select United States. With a host, you're going to leave it like this. It should be same as this. Right, then with a city, if you have any city in mind, ISP or state, but for this video I'm just going to use the random one. I don't want to waste time. Also, wait, the duration, let's change it to 24 hours. Right, yeah, 24 hours. So once you are done configuring everything, you get a proxies over here. So you swipe down to this section, then you choose any of this, right? Any of this, then I'll copy. Once you copy it, you go to your notepad and then paste it over there. So after every comma, right, you separate it. So let me separate it like this. Then after this also, I'm going to separate it. Okay, then after the last comma too, I'm going to separate it. So the first one will be your username, the second one your password, followed by your host, and then your port. Okay, so if you are using Android, okay, so let me do it like this. Android is equal to super proxy. Okay, and then iPhone is equal to potato, right? Potato. So if you are using Android, you definitely use the super proxy, and then if you are using iPhone, you go in for the potato, right? Yeah, this just to let you understand. So the first one will be my username. Okay, then the second one will be my password. There's no need to do this, I'm just doing it for you to understand. The third one will be my host. Okay, my host. And then the last one will be your port. Okay, your port. All right, so you just copy it accordingly. So open your potato. Okay, so this is my potato. When I come to my potato, okay, so I'll tap on this plus sign. Okay, after tapping on the plus sign, you tap on manual inputs, right? Then you select source 5. All right, after selecting source 5, the server. So the server is the same as your host. So this is my server or host. So I'll just copy it, go back, paste it here, and then with the port, this is my port, copy, and then paste it here. So with the authentication method, you choose the password because we have our username and then password. So this is my username. So I'll copy my username. Okay, so I'll copy my username and then paste it here, followed by lastly my password. So after paste that shit, okay, so my password, right? Then I'll tap on this button over here. I'll tap on my IP I just inputted and tap on connect. So you wait for it to load, and then you go back to our browser and search for Poa.net, right? Poa.net. So what we are waiting for is our location to change, right? So as you can see, our IP is working. So instead of using our gigabyte, we are using IP rather on our phone. This is very simple. Purposely for the website, So this is it for today's video. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.